Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on loading dock procedures. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. With all the activity going on around loading docks, there are plenty of hazards to be aware of. These include slipping on wet, oily, or broken floor surfaces, falling off dock edges, injuries from falls due to unsecured dock plates or unchocked trailer wheels, back injuries from improper lifting and carrying, and injuries from careless behavior around forklifts and other vehicles. This lesson will discuss the procedures, housekeeping, and general tips to follow to remain safe on the dock. Before we begin talking about procedures, it is important to know how to define certain equipment on the loading dock. These are basic definitions to keep in mind. Dock boards are steel or aluminum ramps that are used to bridge the gap between the truck trailer and the loading dock. Dock plates are smaller and more portable equivalents of the dock board, but do not have the weight capacity of the dock board. Dock levelers are permanent devices that help correct the difference between loading docks and trailers. And finally, wheel chocks are equipment that secure the wheels of the trailer so that the trailer cannot move while it is being loaded or unloaded. Like many workplaces, in order to work safely on a loading dock, it is important that you are aware of loading dock procedures. The following are general rules to follow, so if you have any questions specific to your job site, please ask your supervisor. Use wheel chocks or trailer restraints at every bay.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.